Here's one for the Mopar fans, and it's a beauty. 1968 Plymouth GTX two-door hardtop. Ember gold metallic. 440 power, the high performance 440 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. True GTX, by the way, real deal. Take a look at the chrome in the front, headlight surrounds, front grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car top to bottom, inside and out, underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Fender mounted turn signal indicators. Speaking of options, you can see the fender tag in with the still pictures as well as the VIN number. Do all the decoding that you would like. This is an original ember gold metallic car with the gold on black sport trim vinyl interior. So still looking very much the way it would have looked coming off the showroom floor back in 1968. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior a little bit. Look at the condition of this. Just coming out of long-term ownership. Gentleman that brought this in to have it sold has had it since the late 80s, so over 30 years. Original AM, FM, 8-track stereo car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the rear chrome on this car. Also very nice shape. And even the condition of the rear deck lid and bright work on here. Do not see that in that condition every day. Paint shows well. Is it perfect? No, but overall shows very well. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Definitely is going to turn them heads, no doubt about that. Popularity of the GTX, let alone in 68. And when I start this up and you hear it run, it takes it to a whole nother dimension. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And look at how nice and straight those long panels are. Riding on the BF Goodrich radials, as you can see. All right, let's take a little closer look at this gold on black interior. Great looking color combination. And as you can see, seats pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear up here in the corner from probably being folded forward and back. And you'll be able to see plenty of pictures of the interior and with the rest of the still pictures of this car. All right. Aftermarket tack. We also have the factory tack over here, which is still working. I noticed earlier when I moved this car around a little bit. I've not had the wipers work, or looks like what is the factory stereo. Like I said, this came with an AM, FM, 8-track stereo. I've not had that working either. When you hear this run, you're not going to want to listen to the stereo. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, so after market tack working, you can see up here also. Not quite maybe as accurate as this one, but in working order. Take a look at the top of the dash. Oh, and listen to that 440. Oh. A couple of aftermarket gauges, air-fuel ratio, and then oil pressure. Listen to this. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look underneath the hood. Hopefully you can hear me. Aluminum radiator. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Obviously built 440. Looks and sounds like it. Power steering, power brakes. Wow. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 1968 Plymouth GTX, real deal. 507-386-17